This slide and the one that follows are both titled Nurturing Systems Thinking in an Organizational Setting. And the authors in this section of the book provide two exercises that are helpful in understanding systems within the organization. This first exercise is called Explaining Your Story, and it's found on page 103 to 108. And it's a two-step exercise. The first step, the problem is. And so the problem is fill in the blank. You simply would write out what the problem is that you're facing in the organization. And then step two is telling the story. And so the authors provide many questions here to help you think through what is actually going on. What's the story? What are all the elements? How do they relate to one another? And so forth. And they give you two options to help work through the story, making a list of simply listing all of the elements, simply listing what's going on, simply listing all of the relationships, and then option B, drawing a picture of what's going on. And so the conclusion here is that this exercise provides a systemic picture of the problem, a mutual sense of the story in the minds of the people in the room, and then at the end, a different understanding of the initial problem statement. And so they recommend, once you've worked through the story exercises, to go back and refill in the blank of the problem is, and they will say you'll have a new understanding of what's going on.